It's yours. Actually, he could take one. It's me. You got thick Haitian skin. You could do it. I got a new light. I don't know how it works yet. It might be too bright. So, it's your birthday. I got you though. I got you. Yeah, I got you, bro. Got you. On the vlog. Got you. Another birthday girl. Woo-woo. Birthday coming up next. Yes, sir. Yes.
I'm gonna be lit.
Yeah, it's gonna be lit. Stay tuned. That thing big.
Because I want the happy birthday.
You want the happy birthday? Do you see how big that is?
It's gonna slow down.
I am screaming. Oh, you got large plates. She's taking the biggest piece that says happy birthday. The whole happy birthday.
Yeah.
But you know, the flower's too hard. Look, the flower came off. You cutting it like this over the cake. Why you let Lola cut the cake?
No, she couldn't cut the flower.
Be quiet, Nata.
Where's your plate?
That thing shocking.
Take the cake home.
Maybe that shot did work. I guess it's mine. I'll take it. It's public. Matter of fact, let me get a box too, because mine's huge.
I know.
Say hey to the vlog. She drunk, y'all. I'm just joking.
Everyone with the light.
Girl, you know.
Hello.
I got you all. For real though.
Hey, now stand up.
Stand up and straight y'all stuff.
Can somebody hold one of y'all hold the...
Yeah.
Yes, baby. 50 shots. Got your shots or got your shot.
Y'all so cutie.
Hey, Papa.
I feel so
Miss
old.
America, Miss USA, Miss Caribbean, Miss everything.
Y'all really do. Y'all look like y'all. I just came out of fashion shoes.
Hello. Where's the tattoos? Oh, you're not going to take a picture with your tattoos there?
Go in there. Here, give me your stuff.
Ain't nothing in my teeth. Really?
No, I can't
Bro,
see
we're gonna
that.
get you right. We're gonna get you right.
Why am I holding it? It ain't my birthday. Why am I holding it?
Put him behind y'all or something like.
She's so funny.
Behind it.
She don't know which camera to look at.
Baby, you dumb. Shut up.
Cause in the picture, her eyes is.
Hair update. I'm wearing an afro today because why not? I'm gonna do a lens check maybe next week when I do my twist out. And I just set my faux locks appointment, so I'm getting faux locks again. Oh, hair update. I'm watching Arnell. There's Faylene. This girl. Saying I haven't sat at this computer in so long. Open the door. Hi.
So long. How you been?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Nice necklace.
Thanks. I had to buy another one.
For real?
It was me though. It was nice. Oh well. I like this. I like this.
Yep.
Funny. You working out or are you starting?
Mm-hmm.
You should start. It makes you feel good.
I have time, really.
If I can make time, you can make time. What do you think I'll be going at 5 a.m.?
I'll be trying.
I can't. If anything, it's gonna be at midnight.
You need a 24-hour jump bag.
Ours is 24 hours.
Oh, you have one here.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Jeannie swimming lessons. Take one. Let's go.
You ain't move. Okay, wait, where we going? I'm gonna hold you.
No, teacher for real.
That way. Face this way.
Yeah, you're going to the other opposite side. Ready? 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 You're going this way. This way first, okay? Ready? 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 You're going this way.
Hold on. Okay. Okay, ready?
Ready?
I'm not underwater.
Hey, come on, clouds. It's getting darker and darker.
Hey, no, she gotta go. Hey, baby, she's gonna go under the water.
Okay.
Under the water. Ready? Ready? Go.
If I see lightning, I'm out of here.
Yes!
Go, Jeannie. Whoosh. Okay. It's a shot. The shot is making her not focus.
Don't do it. You kind of like,
Girl, that's just the rock making you not focus.
that made me focus.
You're having too much fun. It's serious. You look like you're just like, whoop.
Like when you do it, just kind of, that's why I say push your body. So you just go like this.
Look at these guys over here.
This is so hard.
Yeah, look at them.
Watch out.
Okay, it's a wrap. Okay, it didn't get wet. Go like these.
Everybody's swimming style is different. You have to find what I'm trying to go like. Yeah.
No matter what, you gotta move your feet and your arms.
Yeah, like, thank you. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
If you stop moving your feet, you did move, but don't stop moving your feet.
I did.
Yeah, don't stop moving your feet. Your feet is the propeller. You need the gas.
Yeah, you see how he do it? How no you look both sides. So I don't like how no swim. I can't do that.
Yes, I can.
I
Just throw yourself underwater because you don't want to.
It's
Come on, check the weather.
Let's go. Hey. Let's go. Hey. What? Hey.
I'm trying to be Olympic swimmer by tomorrow.
Period, son.
Olympic swimmer by tomorrow.
10 minutes? It's gonna start raining? Stupid Florida, man. It's gonna rain for 15 more minutes, and then that's it.
15 minutes.
It's a storm. So we gotta go? Alright, well, let's go then, I guess. I don't want us to get stuck in the rain. There's my cue. Where there's thunder, there's lightning. Where there's thunder, there's lightning. So I know somebody that I met at the beach last week. The lifeguard got struck by lightning and he died right on the spot.
Yeah?
Yep. When I was at the beach last week, they were telling me they came from New Jersey. They were so depressed that they came to Florida. I'm like, what's Florida gonna do for you? But okay. Where there's thunder, there's lightning, guys. If you didn't know that. Woo. And then the wind. Whoosh. Pogo Deo.
Take as much as you can.
Dang. Whoosh. Hurricane. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I said be no AC, dog.
Oh, snap.
No AC, dog.
Bon, kote l pala. Kote moun sa yo pala. E pa lap li lap fe. Jeannie. Where's Jeannie? Your phone? Where's oh, okay. I'm like, where's she? Thank
you.
That's your stuff, right?
I got it.
Okay. I didn't want to leave yet. I don't want nobody dying on my watch. So we'll try this again another time when it's a super sunny day. Oh yeah, let's walk. Shoot, I gotta walk. Nasia, can you drive my car back? Since you not, we're gonna walk because we're wet. My thing has a barcode. All right, we're gonna walk. Yeah, I don't want my car to stink because I don't know when the next time I'm gonna clean it. So I don't understand why people are coming to the pool as it's about to rain. Like they're literally, yeah, you didn't see them? Yeah, they're literally walking up as it's about to rain. that was in line with us, she was like, yeah, if there's lightning or thunder, I'm out, because
That's how rapids they take them out.
yeah, yeah, the lifeguard was coming out of the thing, the tower, to go back to wherever, and he got fried by lightning right on the spot on the beach.
That's crazy.
They got it. Yes, he's dead. He was 17. Your pool days cut short.